I thought I might make a little video showing you how to activate God mode in Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1, and 7. Here's the page that I chose to use just because it's really very simple. It's really not God mode. It puts all your settings all in one spot, and Computer Tech started calling it God mode and it stuck. So it's really not its technical name. They just call it God mode. But this tells you all about it, what it does, and the reason why I chose this one is because it's got this all right highlighted in black here. All you have to do is copy the whole thing, every word, every part of it, and then right click, create a new folder, and right click and paste what I just copied, and then hit enter. And as you can see, it turns into an icon. As soon as you double click on that, it opens up all your settings all rounded up in one spot, so you don't have to go look for them or anything. And beware, if you don't know what you're doing, and if you change one of these settings, you should probably remember which one it was so you can put it back. Otherwise, you can manually create a restore point to restore your computer back to the way it was before you did any of these. You even see how much RAM, auto hide, Windows update problems, all your troubleshooting. And it's so simple. If you decide you don't want it, you just right click on it and delete it. It's really that simple. Alright, I'll put the links to that below this video, and I'll also put that part where you have to copy and paste it. I'll put that below this video too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.